Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cheska, and today we are going to be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 6 in 44mm and in gold. So I actually picked this up at Best Buy today because it was on sale. There's a big Black Friday sale on smartwatches right now, especially Apple, so this is so much cheaper than its original retail price. So I had to get myself one. So let's unbox this. So it has a pull tab right here. So it seems like this box is way smaller than the one I used to have for my Series 4 or Series 1. I'm not exactly sure, but definitely much smaller. So I'm just gonna pull this. So it does come in two separate boxes. So this is the watch and this is the watch strap. Let's actually take a look at the watch first. Designed by Apple. So this is just the paperwork. No Apple sticker. So what we got here is the Apple Watch MagSafe charger. Yeah, so it's the regular USB-A. And what we got here is the Apple Watch itself. So Series 6 has a lot of new features. It has the oxygen level reader. It also has the always on display. So I'm excited for that because the one I have, Series 4, doesn't have that. So as you can see, it's this really nice gold color. I don't think the color really changed, not that I noticed. It still kind of looks like my gold Series 4. So let's just boot this up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set it up on my iPhone. So let's just press continue. Set up for myself. So we have to set it up here. Start pairing, and so I'm gonna set it up as a new Apple Watch, and I wear it on my left. So while we set that up, let's just open the straps. So it has this pull tab over here. So we got two sizes, one small medium and one medium large. So I'm gonna pick the small medium. Alright, it should be all set. So that is it for my Apple Watch unboxing video. If you guys like this video, please like, subscribe, and tune in for my next one. Bye guys.